Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to unbox Boya BY-M1 microphone. So I ordered it and there's the package. You can see a brand new, nicely packed Boya M1 microphone. Everything is written there, its capacity. Cutting the sellotape. Now inside, there is another packet, a nice pouch, and look at the hologram, so we can check the internet whether the product is authentic or not. And there it is, microphone jack and the holder. Silicone. That's a warranty card. It's for 1 year. User manual. And that's a sticker. It is pretty nice. You can have a closer look in here. There's a switch, upper one for camera and down one for a smartphone using. Audio jack for a smartphone. Untying it. That's the foam and the clip. Microphone jack. And that's the battery. So I'm going to put the battery into the holder. Inside you can see the space. Direction is written there in the user manual. Now putting the foam on the mouth. Now the clip. You can see where I attached it. It's in there. Now let's try with my phone. I'm recording it now. Let's hear it. What's up guys, Can you hear me? I think the voice is clear. Let me take the battery off. Let's see, does it work with the battery or not? Recording again. What's up guys, I think with the battery it's now working fine, so it's alright. So that's all about Boya BY-M1 microphone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care and it's goodbye.